Hi everyone, it's Lucy Down, your local sales manager at SolarEdge. I just wanted to remind everyone of the residential battery competition and free backup interface for your customers and to help you sell more of the battery, whether that's retrofit to current installations or even new installs with the whole SolarEdge system. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up our portal for the battery competition and enter the details to first initially register. So that's your first name, last name, company name and email. You only need to do this once. And once you've done that, you are then registered for the competition and you're also registered for setting up your backup interface claims. There's some important information on this page, so please do read information such as the prizes that are up for grabs, terms and conditions and FAQs. So if we scroll to the bottom, FAQs and legal terms and conditions can be found at the bottom. Now, first off, you set up your account. So I'm going to do that through SolarEdge. I'm going to agree to all of the terms and conditions. Once that's set up, it appears on our dashboard. We can see that you're interested in the competition and you're interested in the backup interface. Next, you need to go to this link here that talks about adding your serial numbers to register your installs for the competition and also to claim that backup interface that will send directly to yourselves. On this form, you do this for every invoice that you have, or you can do it once you have the invoice from the day that you receive invoice from a distributor, or you can do it 2 weeks down the line. It's up to you. Just make sure you do it before the December deadline. These invoices need to be dated from August onwards, as the competition started the 1st of August. All you need to do is enter any information that's detailed under asterisk. So your first name, last name, your address, that we're going to send the backup interfaces to make sure you put the full address in there as well. The number of batteries purchased, link this to the invoice. There's 10 batteries on the invoice, pop 10 batteries here. Number of backup interfaces required. Now I'm just going to claim for the full 10. It's absolutely fine. If you don't have the serial numbers of residential batteries that are going to be installed yet, that's absolutely fine. If you're claiming for the backup, we'll just need this in future competition itself to just make sure that there's no cheating going on. So if you then put down NA if not applicable, or obviously if you have the residential battery serial number, pop them here. Upload the invoice. This needs to be in a PDF format. That can be from your distributor, and that also has to have the date of purchase and the number of batteries. Once again, anything not asterisk doesn't need to necessarily be filled in. So if you've not got the designer reference, monitoring site ID or the installation dates, you can leave those blank. Once you've filled those in, you can then click submit. Now you will get a confirmation message afterwards and you'll be receiving your backup information from one of my colleagues in the office, and we'll send them directly to the address of your company that you've put here. So super simple. I think the most questions I get is how do I access this form? Now I'll link that form in the description or in the caption, but if you do have any questions, please do contact myself or any of your team representatives, whether that's Jacob, David, Richard. So for myself, that would be lucy.down@solaredge.com. Give me an email if you have any questions. There are also opportunities for support with retrofit of battery campaigns, so please do let me know. Lovely, thank you.